and sit down.
After it saw limited release in 2016, the 2017 Jaguars is ready for prime time. This compact sports sedan competes with the BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, and Lexus IS. There are 3 engines on offer: a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 that makes 340 horsepower, a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel that makes 240 horsepower, and a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel that makes 180 horsepower. All pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is available with rear or all-wheel drive. EPA estimated fuel economy is listed at 21 miles per gallon city/30 miles per gallon highway for the V6, 2029 with AWD, 2130 for the turbocharged diesel and 3242, 3040 with AWD, for the less powerful turbo diesel. Available features include satellite radio, navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, leather seats, infotainment system, Bluetooth, and USB. The multimedia display is adorable to use, has an intuitive touchscreen interface, and talks to all the now obligatory lifestyle apps. It's also several generations on from the JLR tech seen in some of its other cars. Itself big news. Available safety features include rear view camera, traction control, stability control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic detection, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and dual front, side and side curtain airbags. The 2017 Jaguars has a base price of $34,900, not including dealer or destination fees.